So look, check that out. So here's the after. I remember that shelf there just a second ago, how all that stuff was up there sitting on that TV type stand in the corner, wires everywhere. So that's what we did. We ended up putting like a shower niche right over there inside of the wall. And that houses all their Xfinity and the Orbi router and all that stuff. There's a lot of wires back there for all their internet connection and Xfinity and all that. But if you all remember our last video where we took shiplap and trimmed it out and used it as a backsplash at Miss Janet. So the homeowner here, she liked that. She liked that in that video. So that's what we did for her. That is shiplap. And we do that double tier drop down there with the PVC. We popped it over here for the sink and all. And then that was their floor. So we did that for the baseboard as well. And remember, we ran that floor up the wall and picture framed that just to give that a really cool, different look. We did the same thing down there for the baseboard. So they absolutely love it. We love it. And I think that niche is cool. So we'll start doing that other places as well.
All right, you're on.
Yeah, that's fine. So look, I just want to take a second to tell y'all, that is not Tom holding the camera. That's the homeowner. So I just want to give y'all a heads up. If you remember a couple of weeks back, we had told you all that Tom had cancer back on his back. He got that removed and we were waiting on the biopsy. So some people know already, but the biopsy came back and it turns out what they cut out a couple of weeks ago, about the size of a quarter, that was actually about 10% of what they actually seen in the biopsy. So yesterday, Tom underwent surgery. Everything went well. The surgery lasted for a couple of hours and he has a slice about this long right here on his back. So it was the same spot as a couple of weeks ago. They just enlarged it. Then under his arm is a couple inch cut as well where they removed the lymph node. So just wanted to give you all a heads up. Tom's going to be down and out probably for a good number of weeks. And we're gonna get through this just like anything else. So got a lot of support on our end to help out with some of the stuff that takes two people, lifting or, cabinets and stuff like that. We're just truly blessed that we've got all that covered here for a while out. So I just wanted to give everybody an update. Please save some prayers for Tom. Love him to pieces. He knows I do. He'll be seeing us later on. So if y'all just keep him in your prayers, hopefully for a speedy recovery. That's all anybody can ask for. And we can't wait to get him back. But till then, we just wanted to show off what me and Tom worked so hard on this past week and a few days of last week. It all came together. So couldn't ask for anything more. Homeowner, you're happy, right? We already knew that. Till the next one, you guys. Thanks a bunch. See you back real soon.